Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the routine that has truly changed my life. Not just for a healthy body but also for achieving that glowing radiant skin. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. I usually wake up around 8 AM every day. Getting up early gives me extra hours in the day, setting the tone for productivity. But let me tell you, my beauty sleep is a priority. I aim for a minimum of 7 hours each night. One thing that helps me kickstart my day is avoiding my phone as soon as I wake up. Instead, I focus on making my bed and hydrating my body by drinking a ton of water. Now on to my secret weapon, a detox juice that I make every 2 days and store in the fridge. This green elixir is a powerhouse packed with apples, spinach, parsley, cucumber, ginger, and of course lemons. It's like a superhero for my body, eliminating toxins and providing incredible benefits for both my gut and my skin. I take it on an empty stomach to kickstart my metabolism and then proceed with the rest of my morning routine. After a refreshing shower, it's time to address my skin. Factors like UV radiation and pollution can cause free radicals that damage skin cells. To combat this, I incorporate the Lakme Vitamin C Serum into my morning routine. This potent antioxidant neutralizes free radicals, protecting my skin from potential damage. Following the serum, I reach for the simple ultra-light liquid moisturizer. Its skin-loving ingredients ensure 24 hours hydration with a matte finish, making it the perfect choice for priming my skin in the morning. And of course, we can't forget the Pond's Serum Boost Sunscreen, a crucial step to shield against sun damage and fade dark patches. Its ultra-light, non-sticky formula guarantees protection and radiance throughout the day. Now let's talk breakfast. I prefer keeping it light and nutritious. Overnight oats are my go-to, packed with protein and topped with different fruits depending on my mood that day. Some days it's kiwis, some days banana, and my favorite strawberries. It's the perfect combination to fuel my morning without feeling too heavy. Before heading out, I ensure to grab a few essentials for my bag. Firstly, the simple spot patch is a must-have. You never know when a pimple might appear unexpectedly. This patch provides on-the-go relief by absorbing excess oil and soothing those pesky zits without harsh chemicals. Next is the Vaseline lip tint infused with vitamin E. It's my go-to for on-the-go lip hydration, keeping my lips moisturized and healthy. Lastly, it's the Lakme Vitamin C Facial Mist, a refreshing burst of hydration for when my skin feels dull during the day. It works wonders to keep my skin soft, supple, and glowing. So guys, I hope you liked the morning routine that has truly transformed my life. I encourage you to consider incorporating these habits into your daily routine as well. Before you do, as usual, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. While you're at it, don't forget to tap on the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!